My introduction to Project 44 came through a thought leadership conference, and I was energized by the whole idea of simple, easy, fast connections that were not clunky and difficult to change or migrate. And we instantly became quite integrated with Project 44 from a dialogue and communication standpoint, more learning about the product and educating ourselves vis-a-vis the very great presenters and minds that exist with Project 44. And we just became hooked on the whole idea that this can transform our supply chain, and we need to move forward and continue to push this. It became very apparent that we needed to have real-time tracking of every single SKU and every single box. And we figured out a way to, through the use of APIs, to marry up our data in our database by bringing in the needed collected information from our carriers into our database using the APIs, and then marrying it up with our inventory, which allows us to know exactly what's in every box going through our supply chain. And this was critical due to the nature of our new release studio film commitments, where we need to meet exact street date requirements for every retailer in the United States, Canada, and some in Mexico. We are still heavily reliant on EDI. We are rapidly migrating from that platform into the API technology model. We also have a 10-year-old TMS, so obviously that's one that we're very anxious to transition into some cloud technology and more flexible plug-and-play solutions. In terms of technologies that we're investigating and investing in, we have a number of projects. First of all, we're going to be migrating our core TMS platform within the next 8 months. So that's number one. Number two, we're only doing it with those TMS providers that are API ready and that can handle the technology and the feeds. We also have a number of projects with Project 44 that will enable APIs to advance into our truckload carrier strategy. Today we use Project 44 for integration into some of our LTL carriers. We're going to expand that into truckload. And then we also have a major project that we're kicking off that will allow us to gain better visibility through the ELD integrations and technologies that are coming forth to supplement the real-time tracking that will be provided through ELDs. I think the thing that's most intriguing to me is that in this case, Project 44 has been completely agnostic. There's no, hook, or there's no sales agenda, or there's no, well, you've got to, direct into this direction with carrier use, or so very, very easy to interpret, understand, and begin to mobilize within our supply chain.